This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Rebirth. Rebirth is a core progression system that allows you to advance further in the game. While it resets your current cash, you keep all your valuable brain rots. This process is crucial for unlocking new content and enhancing your overall game progression. It's a strategic step to become much stronger. To successfully perform a Rebirth, you must meet certain criteria. Each Rebirth level demands specific brain rot characters to be present in your inventory. Additionally, a minimum cash amount is necessary to initiate the process. Focus on completing daily quests and challenges, as these are excellent ways to gather the required resources and cash efficiently. The benefits of rebirthing are substantial for your progress. You gain more plots on your island, allowing you to place additional brain rots and maximize your income. Crucially, your overall money multiplier sees a significant boost, accelerating your earnings. Furthermore, your luck multiplier improves, increasing your chances for rare drops and valuable rewards. To maximize your Rebirth progress, always equip your highest-earning brain rots using the auto-equip feature. This ensures you're generating optimal income. Also, strategically use cards such as Bloom Bank, which stores a percentage of currency and unleashes a 3x payout burst. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.